Tired of guessing what's causing those mobile website hiccups? Today, we're unlocking a secret weapon, the Chrome DevTools console, right on your Android device. First things first, you'll need a USB cable to connect your Android phone to your computer and a Chrome browser on your computer. Also, make sure USB debugging is enabled in your phone's developer settings if you are not able to access developer option settings. Go to About Phone and rapidly click on the build number until the developer options are unlocked. Now, on your computer's Chrome browser, navigate to the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools, and then click on Remote Devices. Here you should see your connected Android device. Click on the Discover USB Devices checkbox to ensure Chrome can find your phone. If your Android device shows up, simply open the website you want to test in Chrome on your Android device. Then, back on your computer in the Remote Devices panel, you'll see the website listed under your device name. Click on the Inspect button below the website's title. Voila! The Chrome DevTools window pops up along with the console tab. Here, you can type commands, view any console logs produced by the website on your phone, and debug JavaScript just like you would on a desktop site. And that's it. You're now equipped to diagnose and fix mobile website issues directly from your Android device. Happy debugging!